This is my Greenland video blog for Kayaktion.com. We've been kayaking above the Arctic Circle through the fjords of Uummannaq for the last 2 weeks, hiking to the ice cap, seeing several glaciers, paddling the different ice fields, and just experiencing the uniqueness and vastness of Greenland. One of the most unique things is that we have 24 hours of sunlight this time of year, and as you can see from the light on my face, it's still very bright out. It's 11:30 at night, and this is about as dark as it's going to get tonight, so sleeping can be a bit of a challenge, but on the plus side, you always feel like you want to get up and go do something, so you have plenty of energy. Some of the other things that really kind of blew me away about Greenland is just how pristine it is here. We drink straight out of glacier-fed streams. We pick wild mountain sorrel for our salads. We fish for Greenlandic cod almost every day. We pick wild mushrooms. So even though we're above the Arctic Circle and there isn't a tree in sight, there's a lot to this land if you know what you're looking for. There's also a lot of change going on. We see glaciers that 15-20 years ago came right down to the water's edge, receding several kilometers. We also see a lot more mosquitoes. We've talked to people who were here 5-10 years ago, and the mosquitoes weren't nearly as bad. So I think with some of the climate change issues, you see warmer, wetter conditions, and you see things like mosquitoes start to be a little bit more of an issue. But overall, Greenland just blew me away. My expectations, I didn't really know what to expect coming to Greenland, but it's one of the most wild, rugged, extreme places that I've ever been to, and I can't wait to come back. So I'm going to show you some images of my trip. I hope you enjoy it as much as I did, and if you have any questions, you can always email me at kayaktion.com, and hope you enjoy it. Thanks.
We're looking here at the Ilulissat Ice Fjord. 50 kilometers up that way is the glacier that feeds it, which is the fastest moving glacier in the northern hemisphere. It's moving at about a meter an hour. And these icebergs move down the length of the fjord, and they get stopped right over here where it gets about 250 meters deep, which is shallow for icebergs, and they build up behind it till there are enough of them, and then they push over that, and they feed most of the icebergs into the North Atlantic. Probably the Titanic was sunk by an iceberg from right out here.
Oh, we got an iceberg rolling. Whoa, that's a good size one.
Okay, there's that one. See the fifth?
Yeah, yeah, it's perfect.
You want me to hold this in place while you...
Yeah, there's that one. Now let's find this one. Oh, there's
Is this the right way
There's
up?
this one. Yeah, there's 3.
Oh, wow.
This is the
Okay.
right way around.
Okay, can you hold those 2?
Yep, got it.
And then we'll.
Wait, the holes in the bottom aren't lining up.
Let's see.
Something's wrong here.
So okay, the holes in the bottom line up. If you do the whole thing right,
Mhm.
not only you get the sizes, the holes in the bottom all there. This one's perfect.
Oh, wow.
There it is.
Wow.
So
That's amazing.
How did they do that?
Yeah, no kidding.
Wait. Oh, over there.
And there's our camp.
Oh my God.
All right. He mounts the iceberg.
Just grab them right with your hand. We had a long, hard day. Started 11:30. It's now 6:30. Choppy, big seas in the Arctic. This is our view. And here is the waterfall.
We've got